So, now we're going to demonstrate how the advanced serialization function works using the PT-E310BT. Nobody likes to type individual labels out, it's a complete waste of time. So, utilise the machine to do the work for you. In this case, I'm going to serialise some cable wraps. So, select the cable wrap function here. Select the diameter. Let's just go with Cat6A. Then I'm going to type in the identifier, A01-01, and we're going to press the advanced serialization key. To get that, simply hold down the shift key and then this button here. Then we're going to go down to advanced. OK. Now, in advanced serialization, it gives you the option to select multiple characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the 0 and the 1. OK. Let's just do something simple, like 4. Now, here's where the second option comes in, to change these characters. So, in this case, I just want to change the A. It's going to ask me how many I want, and again, we'll do 4. OK. So you can see where it changes the number at the end, which means I'm going to have D01-01 through to D01-04. So now as I print this out, the machine will prompt you each time it's ready to cut the label using the simple manual cutter here. Then, once the job is complete and all of your labels are cut, you'll have your 16 serialised labels ranging from A01-01, A01-02, right through to D01-04, all ready to apply to each of your cables.